the same thing. Apply the same learning. Well, all the side plane moves. It's not the same for wall plane moves. Wall plane moves, or at least what I do, is if you think of like the side plane moves as the T, then when you rotate to the front plane, it's the V. When I'm doing V's, it's like this. So it's kind of the same, but not really. It's still a paddle step, but it's not. I feel like the weight shifting is different. Okay, so I'm in the V. I turn around, I'm in a V. My weight is still staying on my right leg mostly, or if I do a left turn, because my hip line is like this versus, well, it's also the foot orientation, right? Are the feet like this or the feet like this? You know, I don't know. One feels more like a horse stance, and the other feels like more like warrior